Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're focusing on one of the most important steps for a Korean medical device company planning to enter the Mexican market, establishing a proper COFEPRIS device classification and grouping strategy. This initial phase is where many companies encounter costly and time-consuming setbacks, and a well-planned approach is essential for success. Mexico's regulatory body, COFEPRIS, utilizes a three-tier classification system, designating devices as Class 1, Class 2, or Class 3 based on risk. While this framework is influenced by international standards from the IMDRF and the EU's MDR, it contains unique Mexico-specific variations that manufacturers must understand. This system is fundamentally different from the four-class system used by Korea's Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, the MFDS. A common mistake is assuming a device's classification in Korea will directly translate to its equivalent in Mexico. This assumption often leads to incorrect submissions. An improper classification is a leading cause of submission rejection by COFEPRIS, resulting in significant delays. A rejection doesn't just mean a minor correction. It often requires restarting the entire submission process, which can impact your launch timeline by several months and add unforeseen expenses. Therefore, accurately determining the correct classification under Mexican regulations from the very beginning is not just a procedural step, it's a critical part of your business strategy. Equally important is the concept of device grouping. Mexican regulations allow for multiple device variants or models to be bundled under a single registration, provided they share key characteristics. For Korean manufacturers with extensive product portfolios, this presents a major opportunity to optimize costs and timelines. Strategically grouping multiple device variants into a single cohesive submission minimizes the number of applications, reduces government fees, and streamlines the review process. Without an optimized grouping strategy, companies often spend far more than necessary by submitting separate applications for closely related products. At Pure Global, we specialize in designing these optimized classification and grouping strategies, tailored specifically to each Korean client's product portfolio. This ensures that COFEPRIS submissions are not only fully compliant, but are also structured to maximize cost savings and efficiency. If your company needs help with global market access, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you'll find links to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.